Welcome to our tech video. In today's episode, we are delving into the mysterious world of PlayStation error code NP34958-9. Join us as we uncover the causes behind this pesky error and explore potential solutions to get you back to gaming in no time. Let's dive right in. Fix 1. To fix error PS4 error NP34958-9, go to Custom and going to Automatic and do not specify any manual for DNS. We are going to change primary DNS by 1.1.1.1 and secondary DNS by 1.0.0.1. If you are in a different region and it just doesn't work for you, I did this and worked. Fix 2. This fix was given by a Reddit user. He posted,
"Guys, I got mine fixed. You need to connect your PlayStation to a LAN cable connection. Turn off your PlayStation. Turn off your internet router. Wait 5 minutes. Connect the LAN cable from your router to your PlayStation. After you've waited 5 minutes, turn on your internet router again. Wait a couple of minutes. Turn on your PlayStation. Go ahead to Settings, Network, set up internet connection, use LAN cable, custom, automatic, do not specify, manual, put primary DNS 1.1.1.1. in secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Next, automatic, proxy server, do not use, test internet connection, should be good. Now go to settings again, account management, restore licenses, restore, takes a couple of seconds. Then finally go to settings again, account management, activate as your primary PS4, activate. Now your PS should work fine. This method worked for me. PS, might not work for everyone. But go ahead and give it a try, who knows? Smile.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.